Hello everybody. My name is Jenny. I am a hairstylist as well as a clean beauty coach. I help women transition to non-toxic clean beauty products, giving them the confidence that they need and knowing that what they put on their body is healthy for them, their family, the environment, and not harmful to animals. So, do you clean your brushes? And I mean like your hair brushes, your makeup brush. I don't even know where my makeup brush went. Do you clean your stuff? Now, I know that like for me in the salon, I do a soak of my brushes, but do you do them to yours at home? Because for the longest time, I wasn't. I mean, you sit there and think, well, this brush is only going in my own hair, right? So it's fine. It's not like I have to clean it because no one else is using it. Wrong. Okay, so you want to clean your brushes because if you look and you'll start seeing like gunk or buildup and like the base of the bristles here, you have to think what all is going on to your brush every time you brush your hair. And I am sorry we are getting to the dirty, but you have your dead skin cells, you have product buildup, you have dust, you have dirt. Whatever is on your scalp is going onto your brush and it's sitting on your brush. So if you're not washing that off of it and getting it really clean, the next time you're gonna go brush your hair, what am I doing? I'm putting all of that back on my strands because it's at the base of my brush. So you're putting all those dead skin cells, you're putting that built up hair product, and you're putting all that other gunk back in your hair. So either A, it could be unhealthy, B, it's gonna ruin your style, and C, it actually could ruin your brush. So what I want you to do, and especially if you're not used to washing them, at least do it once a month, okay? Otherwise, depending how often you're using them, like my round brush, since I very rarely, unless I'm wearing my hair straight, I don't blow dry my hair. If I'm wearing it curly, I'm not gonna put a brush in it. So these ones I may not use as often, so I will for sure do these just once a month. Now, my wet brush, which I absolutely love, I use every day, and my daughter does too. So these ones you wanna wash every 1 to 2 weeks, depending how often you're using them. But what you're gonna do is clean all of the hair out of it, so get it nice and clean. And then I want you to soak or fill up your sink, and you could put warm water. And you can either use something like this, Dr. Bonner's. This is like the most versatile product you could ever own. Like you can use this for so much stuff. So you can fill up your sink, you can put like the gentle soap. If you ever want to put like a gentle shampoo in there, you can do that too. Otherwise, what I do, and even for my ones at the salon, I fill up the sink with warm water. I put in vinegar because vinegar is a disinfectant and it also will help to remove that residue. So when you have product buildup or stuff that's stuck in there, the vinegar will help pull it out. And then I put a little bit of tea tree in there too, so I get the antiseptic. So any bacteria that may be on your brush will get removed from that tea tree in there as well. So you get the cleaning, you get the removal, and you get the antiseptic. Let them soak for like 10 minutes is what I prefer, and then lay them out to dry. When you notice that your brush is starting to get like, the bristles get really bendable or they're starting to stick out in different ways, or these little covers that are on them are popping off, time to replace your brush. Same with your round brushes. When your bristles are all starting to get bent, it's time to replace it. So that's what you want to do with those. And these are my absolute favorite round brushes. I like the ones that don't have the rubber right here because otherwise I feel like my hair gets stuck around this and rips out. So I like these. These are the nanothermic ceramic and ion, and they come in all different sizes. So you want to make sure you're doing that like once or twice a week. If you use a comb, throw that in there too. Next up is our makeup brushes. Grab my makeup brush that fell off my desk. These ones you want to wash once a week. So if you are not washing your makeup brushes, you again are getting dead skin cells, oil. If you have the leftover product that also is getting bacteria on them, that can cause breakouts, and if not worse, other stuff, but for sure breakouts. So what you want to do with these is you want to be very gentle though with these brushes because these bristles are a lot more delicate than your hair brushes. So I like to take warm water. I put a little bit of the Dr. Bonner soap and I just kind of rub it in like a soft circular motion. And then I rinse it and I go like this. I flatten my brush back out and you just go until it runs clear. And then just do it in like the evening or after you do your makeup one morning, and then lay them out to dry, and you're good the next day. Another good reminder is when you drop it in your coffee cup, you know it's time to clean it, huh? That happened to me last week. So this one you could also use just a gentle shampoo. They have other things that I've seen where you can use this little gadget that you rub it on and it's like gets into the bristles. But I'm a really simple person and I don't think that you need all the extra gizmos. So my hand works great. And like I said, I use the Dr. Bonner's, very gentle. You can use a gentle shampoo. Otherwise, some companies do make brush cleaners, but heck, use what you got. And lay those out to dry. This is gonna be what you're doing to look out for your health. So you want to make sure, like I said, once a week at least for your makeup brushes. Once a month if you haven't been washing your brushes, or if they're ones you don't use often. Otherwise, once every 1 to 2 weeks. Clean all those brushes, soak for 10 minutes, rinse them, and let them lay out to dry. Okay, you guys, let me know if you have any questions on anything. Otherwise, go clean your brushes. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will be popping on here later.